Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Wednesday, April 16, 2025. Today we'll cover market moves in technology, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, iRobot. Let's dive in. Tech-related indexes saw significant declines today. The Nasdaq 100 closed at 18,257, down 572 points, while the Nasdaq Composite ended at 16,307, falling 516 points. The technology sector showed the largest decline at 3.9%. Market breadth was decisively negative. The Nasdaq Composite showed nearly 4 times as many declining stocks as advancing ones. The technology sector saw 571 declines versus just 109 advances, reflecting broad-based selling pressure. Week-to-date returns show mounting pressure across tech indexes. The technology sector leads declines at -3%, while the healthcare sector has shown more resilience, down just 0.5% for the week. Among top tech performers, Seagate Technology rose 0.82 to 72.82, breaking out after 3 days of sideways movement. Broadridge Financial Solutions showed resilience at 235.29, despite a slight decline of 0.47. Looking at weekly returns, Seagate Technology leads with a 3.8% gain, while Broadridge Financial Solutions follows with a 1.6% increase. Both stocks are outperforming the broader tech sector's negative weekly return. Chip stocks led declines today. Advanced micro devices fell 7 to 88.29, while NVIDIA dropped 7.71 to 104.49. Palantir Technologies declined 5.69 to 92.71. Week-to-date performance shows NVIDIA down 5.8%, and advanced micro devices lower by 5.5%. Despite today's decline, Palantir Technologies maintains a strong positive trend with a 4.7% weekly gain. Nasdaq-related ETFs showed significant weakness across the board. SQQQ dropped 3%, while the Vanguard Information Technology Index Fund fell 3.4%. The VanEck Semiconductor ETF declined 4.2%. In leveraged funds, the 3x bullish QQQ slumped 9%, while the 3x bearish QQQ gained 9%. Year-to-date performance shows substantial declines. The 3x bullish QQQ has experienced the steepest drop at -42.8%, while the 3x bearish QQQ has gained 23.8%. The semiconductor ETF is down 19.7%, showing the most significant weekly decline at -3.5%.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Meta Platforms led the declines, falling 3.6% after closing down 5 days consecutively. Apple dropped 3.8%, while Microsoft and Amazon each declined around 3%. All show very strong negative trends. On a week-to-date basis, Meta Platforms shows the steepest decline at -7.6%, followed by Amazon at -5.7%. Month-to-date, Meta and Apple both dropped over 12%. In semiconductor stocks, DataVault AI led gains, rising 3.4% and marking its 4th consecutive positive close. Peraso added 1.9% while maintaining nearly 300 days of sideways price movement. Everspin Technologies broke upward after 3 days of consolidation. Week-to-date, DataVault AI shows the strongest performance with a 13.3% gain. GCT Semiconductor follows with a 6% increase. However, month-to-date returns are negative across all tracked semi-stocks, led by Triotech's -16.4% decline. In cloud computing stocks, Digital Realty Trust advanced 1.3%. Cloudflare posted its 4th consecutive gaining session. Snowflake shows 5 days of sideways movement while maintaining a strong negative trend. Week to date, Cloudflare leads cloud stocks with a 3.1% gain, followed by digital Realty Trust at 2.1%. Shopify shows the largest monthly decline at minus 12.1%, while Okta maintains the best year-to-date return at 26.8%. In AI and robotics, iRobot surged 9.8% while showing 10 days of consolidated price action. AeroVironment gained 2.7%. Oceaneering International broke upward after 5 days of sideways movement, rising 1.8%. Despite today's gains, iRobot shows significant declines across all timeframes, down 74% year-to-date. AeroVironment leads month-to-date performance with a 20.7% gain. RTX maintains positive momentum with an 11.7% year-to-date return. Thematic ETFs focused on AI and robotics showed broad weakness today. AI and robotics led the decline, dropping 2.1%. Robotics and automation fell 2%, while 3 other funds each declined 1.9%. All funds display very strong negative trends. Year-to-date performance shows significant declines across the AI robotics sector. AI and robotics leads the losses at minus 17%, followed by robotics and automation at minus 15.8%. Month-to-date, all funds are down between 6–8%. Electric vehicle stocks faced broad selling pressure today. Tesla led declines, falling 4.9% to 241.55. BYD dropped 3.7%, while Rivian declined 3.5%. Most show strong negative trends. Year-to-date performance varies widely in the EV sector. BYD stands out with a 36.4% gain, while Tesla has declined 40.2%. Week-to-date, all stocks are showing losses between 2–4%. Quantum computing stocks mostly declined today. Honeywell International fell 2.7%, while TE Connectivity and Summit Hotel Properties each dropped 2%. Only Archer Materials managed a small gain of 1.2%. Week-to-date performance shows mixed results. Archer Materials leads with a 13.2% gain, while Summit Hotel Properties has declined 5.2%. Year-to-date, Archer shows the largest loss at minus 53.3%. Solar stocks showed mixed performance today. Zeo Energy surged 55.8% with strong upward volatility. Complete Solaria gained 4.3%, while Jinko Solar recorded its 4th consecutive positive close. Week-to-date performance shows strength. Zeo Energy leads with a 52.5% gain, followed by Complete Solaria at 31.9%. However, year-to-date, most solar stocks remain negative, with losses ranging from 23% to 39%. Tech thematic ETFs are showing consistent negative trends. iShares U.S. Medical Devices ETF remains flat at 56.65, while SPDR FactSet Innovative Technology ETF dropped to 152.42. First Trust Index X, Innovative Transaction and Process ETF, and iShares Exponential Technologies ETF both display strong downward trends. Looking at returns, First Trust Index Innovative Transaction and Process ETF leads the week-to-date performance with a 0.77% gain. Global X FinTech ETF shows the steepest year-to-date decline at minus 14.9%. Month-to-date, all funds are down between minus 3.6% and minus 5.9%.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written narrated and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.